Hey folks, Bob here. I want you to notice something. I'm working on this Cadillac Escalade, a black one. And several spots on this car have been repainted. But it looks like right through here it was repainted and it's real blurry. You can compare that to that. Look at my Jegs hat. So what I'm going to do, this is poor paint is what it is. I'm going to try to wet sand this down and buff it down and see if I can improve on that. Look at you see little spots in it. Just terrible paint, terrible. Look at that blurriness, crazy. Let me see if I can help this. Okay, so what I did, I put a piece of masking tape because this side is still blurry right here. It gets better as you get down. So right along about here is where it's blurry. I sanded this down with 2000 and you can see right here, this is still the original paint here. So we're gonna buff this out and I got the interior guy. Hey, say hello, interior guy.
Hey, how are you?
We're gonna buff this out, see if we can't make it look nice. And there you have it, folks. Look at that. Look at the shine. It's equal to the door, and I haven't even buffed on this. You get on this side of the tape, get right up at the tape is blurred because I couldn't get so close to the buffer. I couldn't get the buffer so close to the tape, so you can see it's still got all those little damaged area here. So as you get further out, it gets better. So it's probably about right here over is where it was damaged, where it was repainted. So I'm gonna pull the tape off and finish the rest of the fender, but just want to let you guys see. Look at that. You can repair a damaged paint job or a poor paint job. You don't need to get it repainted. So this is why I make the big bucks right here. These dealers love me.